Here it includes the two parts, method for paper writing and review of paper. Two parts. In first part, you write the paper, dissertation or project. In paper and in dissertation, the main parts are introduction, material method, result and discussion. But in the thesis, the review of literature is presented in the separate chapter after the introduction. If you write the introduction, you must give emphasis on the brief review, research gap, hypothesis, aim, argument. In the material method, you must explain the material or population used for the study design, which is most important. You must explain the study design, experiments used for the work, methods for measurement and calculation, and the methods used for the statistical analysis with respect to the determination of the research gap and hypothesis. In the result part, you must write the primary values of experiments or surveys, which is most important. Without presenting the primary values of experiment of the survey, your thesis or your paper are incomplete. It is not fit for the publication. And second, the statistically analyzed result. You must write the statistically analyzed results either in the form of the values or in the form of the graph or both. Other results, if any, have significant with related work. If you observe any other results which is deviated from the primary values of the experiment or survey or your aim and objective, you must write it in your paper. In the discussion, the first important work is to write both expected result and unexpected. Thereafter, you correlate the expected and unexpected results both with the available papers and the research gap proposed for the work or hypothesis. Now you must mention the limitations of the methodology, if any. Then the generalized concept with respect to the experimental outcomes you write in the your paper, and then conclusion and suggestions, if any. If the conclusion and suggestions are most significant or significant with respect to the existing research gap, you must separate it in a separate chapter. In the second part, you must learn for the presentation and writing of a review article. The review article is based on the method commonly referred as the preferred reporting items for systematic review and meta-analysis. That is the prism. In which at first you collected all the papers related with your topic from the different databases and search engines, either published or unpublished. Unpublished data or metadata are available on the repository, available online. And then you exclude at first the duplicate, non-relevant and labelized papers. That means if you collect the n number of the papers, here the n minus x is carried forward for the number of papers established based on the interest of title and abstract. Then you observe the title and abstracts, and again some papers are eliminated due to the out of the specified area or the population, generalized review, poorly defined objectives or hypothesis or questionable findings. That means n minus x minus 1 come for the number of full text paper considered for the PhD. And you must go through the all papers which come under the heading of the number of full text papers considered for the PhD. And after your study or learning, some papers must be eliminated or excluded as the papers are not are not included for the specific area of interest which you selected for the review. That means the total number on which the review article is based is the n minus x minus y minus z. Okay.